There truly are no limits.
With enough dedication, effort, and heart, anything is possible, and any goal is achievable. A quality car should remind you of this every single time you get in it. Where did you come from? Where do you want to be? How did you get here from there? And how do you get there from here? They say energy follows thought. Your mind is made for thinking. Ain't no telling where it'll take you. So then the question becomes, what kind of energy and thoughts does your vehicle give you? Howdy, everybody. Wild Man Willie here, and thanks for tuning in. It is New Year's Day. Happy New Year to everybody. Nice and sunny and cold out here, and boy, am I appreciating the sunshine. I am very much solar powered, and it has been a gloomy December that just went by, and I'm sure we're going to have more gloomy in my future. But right now, I'm getting some vitamin D, at least on my face, which is nice. And today's big task, well, pretty simple and mundane. My poor Mitsubishi is nasty. Look at my poor nasty chrome hubcaps. Can't even tell that they chrome. They look stainless all the way around it. We got bug shit. We got rust growing on my tag. We got tree trash inside the car. This thing is America's most economical pickup truck, folks. We got, I mean, it could be filthier. It isn't just full of fast food trash necessarily, but it's bad enough. Seat covers, they've been doing their job. They got big rust stains on them on the pleather. So what we're going to do is get this thing completely cleaned out, get it completely vacuumed out, get all these seat covers clean. And despite the fact that it's only 40-something degrees, I'm going to scrub wash this car too. I'm from clean car culture. I know this is Oregon, and this is pretty much impossible to have a clean car out here in the long term, but we're going to try any damn way, folks. Besides, I want it to look as good as possible for the next couple of days. Might let somebody special take it for a little drive or something at some point. Who knows? Either way, I'll feel better with it clean. So, time for me to take advantage of the sunshine while I got it and get everything as de-disgusted as I possibly can on this thing. Happy New Year, everybody. So I call these America's most economical pickup truck for a reason, despite the fact that it's also one of America's smallest sedan offerings and the lowest horsepower car available. These cars take a lot of crap from the car community. I think Doug DeMiro and his unfair and very biased ass review did more to hurt this brand and this make and model of car than just about anything else. They never were able to recover. So let's give it a realistic show you of what you get. Now, I paid $13,000 for this in 2020, which for a brand new car, that's a low number. And we still have 80,000 miles of warranty left. For the record, I'm 6'2", 6'3", about 180 pounds. I'm a full-size man. I'm not an extra large man. Let's see what kind of room we get in the back seat. Now, of course, I got the front seats all the way to full lock for vacuum out. Let's just get in here. So, leg room, seat at maximum lock would still be giving me room for my knees. Head, I'll let y'all be the judge. Do I have headroom? Do I have headroom if I'm sitting up? There's room in the middle. There's room for another. Hell, this could be quite snuggly back here. There's plenty of room. I've had it full of passengers. Nobody's complained. Everybody's able to reach the seat belts. Relatively comfortable. Honestly, it's a good seating position. It's firm enough, yet soft enough. Of course, back seat riders could have access to that cup holder. That's never been used for that. Little bitty armrest on the thing. Going to clean all this leather. You can see how nasty it is. Trunk space. Doesn't look like I have a trunk on the car, right? All this fits back there and more. This is a light duty loadout. This is all my tools. I hear men tell me all the time, oh, they can't have a truck or a car because it won't do what they need it to. There are careers that are that way. Most of them ain't. Now again, let's talk about trunk space. 400 pounds of tools and car parts fit in the back of this, no problem all the time. I like having my cargo area separate from my cabin, as far as I'm concerned, for sure. I've been in a rear end accident for sure before, and I'm not a big fan of hatchbacks, but let's just show it. From the outside, looks like nothing would fit in that, right? Again, I'm over 6'2". Let's see if I can just get in it. But I can. So, folks, I could completely just take a ride in the back of this here Mitsubishi with no problem. Nothing back here to work on under the back deck either. No stupid electronics, nothing like that. Fully manual and mechanical trunk release. We got a single light bulb to deal with. Underneath me, we got a spare that ain't a whole lot smaller than the full size. Of course, there's a trunk cover that goes in here, but I would still have room. We do have rear seat pass-through. So, all you folks out there saying you gotta have a pickup truck to do your job, there are some of you out there, you exist, but how much money are you wasting the rest of the time driving that big cuss around when something this size would do it? I'm getting 40 plus miles per gallon. I got super low insurance rates. My cost of ownership could not be lower on this vehicle. No problems whatsoever. It's a 3-cylinder, folks. So, Mitsubishi Mirage G4, it's a hell of a car.
Sleek, reliable, efficient. The Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is one of the finest automobiles I have ever owned. It does everything it needs to and has everything it needs to have. It doesn't have the first thing extra. If it's here, it belongs. The car will serve you well. It'll get 4 passengers where they need to go. It will haul the cargo it needs to haul. You'll look good doing it. You won't spend too much doing it. You won't be at the gas pump often, and you won't need a mechanic any of the time.